another example of farming the MLS. I went ahead and pulled up a neighborhood that has quite a few actives in here that are quickly disqualified. So I selected 5 actives. We've got 116 all the way to 179. We've got solds in here from 265 on down. So these lower price ones, 116 to 135, certainly qualify. I went ahead and selected a couple higher ones just to see what we've got there. So moving on up to the map here, I just want to see if they're next to a commercial, busy streets. This one right here on York, that is a busy street. If you Google Earth that, you'll see yellow lines, lots of cars running up and down it. Just get rid of that one. So over here, this one looks fine. Nothing too pressing there. Now these two properties, looks like one of them probably backs to some commercial, and this one is, I don't know why it's sitting over here, but it's definitely closest to commercial. So I went ahead and Googled Earth that 3314, and it is obviously sitting across from some kind of commercial. And then if you go right down the block to the other one, it's on the same street, which is right there. It looks like it's backing to, I don't even know what that is, but it's ugly. We don't want it. So we'll go ahead and unselect those two, and we'll see what we got left here. So we got the 125 and the 179. Now I didn't automatically unselect this one, even though it says 684 square foot, because when you select, this is finished square foot, this is just square foot. It doesn't have total square foot on here. This is something that's pretty important that I haven't pointed out earlier, because sometimes you'll select these and you'll find that it has total square foot of a basement that's not shown on there. Not this time though. This is actually attached, and it has under 1,000 square foot, so we're going to get rid of that one. And this one, 179, is 1,000 square foot, so we'll keep that one. So back to our results. We said we're going to get rid of this one. We're going to keep that one. Now let's go ahead and now we got 1,000 square foot range. This is a great example of going ahead and returning the search, and let's narrow the square footage down. So just instead of going through all those total square foot, all those solds to try to find your square footage range, I would just go ahead and select 900 to 1,400, for example, and search. So our property is right there. So there's our other two that were over by the commercial, and then we've got these. So we can kind of quickly tell that this one's probably not going to work out. I mean, our highest is right there, and we're quickly into this price range. So I just go ahead and move on to the next neighborhood.